Of course, here is the full English version of your detailed guide, titled, The Art of Installing Yellow Marble Stairs. From Cutting to Polishing Introduction. Yellow marble stairs are considered among the most elegant and luxurious architectural details that bring warmth and sophistication to any interior space. However, achieving this level of beauty requires a professional and precise installation process, from selecting the right type of marble, cutting it to exact dimensions, preparing the staircase base, fixing the risers and treads, all the way through polishing and finishing. This guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, whether you're a professional installer or an enthusiast eager to learn. Phase 1. Choosing the right yellow marble. 1.1 Understanding popular types of yellow marble. Yellow marble comes in various distinguished varieties. Yellow onyx marble, semi-transparent, luxurious, but fragile. Crema marble marble, light yellowish beige, elegant and soft. Yellow sultana marble, rich, royal yellow with strong character. Egyptian galala, yellow marble, affordable, durable, and widely available. 1.2 Selecting the proper thickness. Ideal stair marble thickness, 3 cm, ensuring strength and durability. Some professionals use 2 cm slabs with internal reinforcement, but 3 cm is generally preferred for stability. 1.3 Matching colors and veins. Choose slabs that are color matched and vein aligned to maintain harmony across the staircase. For villas or main entrances, go for a classic, consistent style that complements the floor and wall finishes. Phase 2. Preparing the staircase base. 2.1 Verifying structural integrity. The base staircase must be cast from reinforced concrete, done professionally. Ensure the inclination angle is accurate, usually 30 to 35. Corners should be as close to 90 as possible for precise marble cuts. 2.2 Surface cleaning. Remove dust, old paint, cement residues, or any loose particles. Use a small hammer and chisel or scraper to clean and smooth out edges and corners. 2.3 Repairing surface floors. Fill cracks or holes using a thin mortar mix enhanced with white glue or bonding agent. Phase 3. Measuring and cutting. 3.1 Tools. Needed measuring tape, chalk line, spirit or laser level, and a 90 square. Use string lines to mark angles and layouts for accuracy. 3.2 Taking accurate measurements. Measure the length wall to wall and deduct 3 to 5 mm for expansion allowance. Measure the depth of each step, usually 30 to 33 centimeters. Add 3 to 5 centimeters for the front overhang nosing based on design preference. 3.3 Cutting the marble. Use a wet saw, water jet cutter, or a diamond blade angle grinder. Water is essential to cool the blade and prevent chipping. Cut slowly and steadily to maintain edge quality and avoid breakage. Phase 4. Building the riser. Base riso. 4.1 Using block or artificial stone. Install a solid riser base beneath the marble to ensure stability. Make sure this base is level, flat, and compacted well. 4.2 Bonding with mortar and adhesive. Mix white cement plus tile adhesive plus clean washed sand. Apply the mix evenly with full coverage under the marble slab. Phase 5. Installing the marble. Steps. 5.1 Fixing the vertical riser. Always start by installing the riser vertical face before the horizontal tread. Use adhesive mortar and gently tap into place with a rubber mallet. 5.2 Laying the horizontal tread. The tread should slightly overhang the riser by 3 centimeters for aesthetic appeal. Use a mix of marble adhesive, white cement, and marble dust. Press down evenly and ensure a slight slope for water drainage, if required. 5.3 Reinforcing edges. For high traffic areas, aluminum or brass angle guards are recommended. Alternatively, you can bevel the edge to a 45 angle for a refined look. Phase 6. Filling the joints. 6.1 Choosing the right grout color. Select a filler or grout color that closely matches the marble tone. Use marble, filler, compound, or flexible joint sealer designed for natural stone. 6.2 Joint filling method. Apply the filler using a grout gun or soft plastic spreader. Wipe off excess filler after 10 minutes using a damp microfiber cloth. Phase 7. Sanding and polishing. 7.1 Initial sanding use. A floor sander with diamond polishing pads. Start with grit 60 gives, grit 120 gives, grit 220. Always move in the same direction to avoid swirl marks. 7.2 Cleaning dust and residue. Wipe down the steps with a clean cotton cloth and water. Make sure all dust and debris are removed before polishing. 7.3 Final polishing. Apply a professional marble polish or buffing cream. Alternatively, use tin oxide powder with a rotary polishing machine. Once polished, rinse with warm water and dry thoroughly. Phase 8. Protection and finishing touches. 8.1 Sealing the marble. Apply a transparent penetrating sealer to protect against stains and moisture. Use a soft brush or cloth and let it cure for at least 24 hours. 8.2 Edge and border decoration. Add brass or stainless steel strips for modern detailing, or simply bevel the edges for a sleek, elegant finish. 8.3 Final cleaning. Clean surrounding walls and step sides thoroughly. Use a pH-neutral stone cleaner designed for natural marble. Pro tips from experienced installers: always install from bottom to top to avoid contaminating completed steps. Do not overload adhesive or the slab will rise and misalign. Maintain a slight slope millimeter level per step for water flow. Do not walk on the newly installed marble for at least 24 hours. Common mistakes to avoid: failing to clean and prepare the base surface, installing steps with uneven levels, not leaving room for thermal expansion, cutting without accounting for the nosing angle, rushing through sanding or polishing phases. Conclusion: installing yellow marble stairs is more than just a construction task. It is an architectural art form that demands precision, patience, and a keen eye for aesthetics. By following this comprehensive step-by-step guide, from choosing your marble to the final polish, you're guaranteed to achieve a staircase that not only functions but elevates the space it occupies. Whether you're a veteran master or a curious beginner, remember that each marble stair you install is a legacy of craftsmanship that will stand the test of time. Would you like this turned into a printable PDF guide, or maybe a professional voiceover script for video?
Sunma.